Hello everyone, welcome to Tutorials in Hand. In this video tutorial we are going to see how to find ascii value of a character. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, in order to start writing the program, let's quickly move to VS Code. So first of all, let's create a new file by clicking onto this icon and let the file name be simply code.py. Now let's have a variable, let's say ch, which is equals to any character. As of now, let that character be simply a. Now we are interested in finding out what exactly is its ascii value. So in Python, we can find the ascii value of any character with the help of a function called ord. So basically the syntax is ord, and then inside this, whatever character we will give, its ascii value will be found out. So what we will do is, let's print it. Let's write the ascii value of ch is, and over here we will write what? We will write ord, and inside this we will give the character whose ascii value we need to find. So over here we need to find the ascii value of a, which is stored in the variable named ch. So we'll write ch. So let's see this once again. So if we are interested in finding out the ascii value, then we will simply use this ord function. This is actually an inbuilt function which is there in Python, with help of which we can directly find out the ascii value of a character. So we will simply write ord, and inside the parenthesis we will give the character's variable or the character itself, like what whose exactly we need to find out the ascii value. Now let's hit enter and see it working. So we'll write python and the file name .py, and boom, here you can see that it's displaying us the ascii value of a, right? And as I said, here you can also directly write the character whose ascii value you need to find. So let's try with that also. So let's write simply a and see if it works again. And boom, here you can see the answer is same. So that is, inside the parenthesis, you need to write the character whose ASCII value you need to find, either the character itself or its variable. So this is how you can find out the ASCII value of a character. Although in this program it's very short, but this knowledge or the idea of this function will be very helpful. So I hope you understood the things, but still if you have any doubt, then feel free to drop it down in the comment section. So this was all about the video.